Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about the topic meditation on the self from the various teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana maharshi. Do not skip this video, watch it till the end so that you get complete understanding about the topic. A practice guide is also included at the end of this video. Meditation on the self. The I or self is the pure and infinite consciousness. The mind, the intellect, the senses, etc., are all the play of consciousness. The self is ever there. There is nothing without it. Such self is the witness in sleep, dream, and waking status of existence. These status belong to the ego. The self transcends even the ego. Did you not exist in sleep? It is only in the waking state that you describe the experience of sleep as being unawareness. Therefore, the consciousness when asleep is the same as that when awake. If you know what this waking consciousness is, you will know the consciousness which witnesses all the three states. Such consciousness would be found by seeking the consciousness as it was in sleep. It is the mind that stands between and veils our happiness. How do we know that we exist? If you say because of the world around us, then how do you know that you existed in deep sleep? Is it the mind that wants to kill itself? The mind cannot kill itself. So your business is to find the real nature of the mind. Then you will know that there is no mind. When the self is sought, the mind is nowhere. Abiding in the self, one need not worry about the mind. Practice guide. By tracing back every thought to its source will destroy the mind, and what left is pure consciousness, that is self. This is performing by asking to whom this or any particular thought arises. It is the best, simple and direct method for self-realization. It does not require any particular time, position, place, etc. It can be performed at any time, even while engaging in other works. Make this practice a habit. At first it seems to be boring and you may feel that you are not getting anywhere. Don't stop at this stage. By keep practicing, you can achieve temporary stillness of mind at first. From there, you can go to the permanent destruction of mind. But it takes time. Be patient. Our focus must be on this practice, not on the result. When you get discouraged, you must keep a good company of books, videos, or other related materials to keep you motivated. If you have any suggestion regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and the bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video updates. Thank you. Have a great day.